Hey, how's the day been? Welcome to the channel. Today, we're gonna walk you through how to set Zedge notification sounds on Android. And it's literally an easy process, so make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. So now, just a heads up before doing this, make sure your Android is updated to the latest version, and if it is already been, go ahead and open the Zedge app. Once you get there, go ahead and use the search bar and use it to search for ringtones and tap on this button. Now, tap on the download button on the middle, and on the options provided, go ahead and choose to tap on the set notifications. Now, as you can see, the notifications has been changed. And that's all for now, folks. Hope you like and subscribe. Thank you.